Hello. So I found this really cool jigsaw puzzle, which is obviously two colours. As you can see, I don't have an AMS unit. Now this piece is by 3D Print Buddy on Thangs. A link will be in the description down below. So first off, it's just a case of importing it into Bambu Studio as per normal. Then you want to go ahead and slice it. So with the green bar on the right hand side, you just want to move it down until you can work out where the top surface finishes and the design starts. In this case, it's layer 16. Right click the plus sign and add pause. Then just go ahead and reslice it. Now let's just go ahead and send it off to print. Once it's hit the pause, it will stop and it will come with this error on the device screen. What you need to go now is change the filament using the load unload feature on the machine. If you don't know how to do that, there is another video on my channel. Go and have a look at that. I'll also leave a link in the description. Anyway, so load the filament. Then what you need to do is clear the fault on the bottom and then hit play, and then it'll go ahead and print the second colour. I use Sunloop PLA Plus, and as you can see, it printed absolutely perfectly. You can do this for putting in pauses to put in nuts or magnets or anything else, but it's also how I did these couple of other signs and items from the tools. If this was helpful to you, please go give it a like and a subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.